In the past, I've talked about conflicts of interest and disclosure in modern standards of care. Well, needless to say, these dodgy recommendations aren't limited to medical guidelines. You'll find the same kinds of lies swirling around wheat, and the consequences have been just as devastating to public health. Case in point, a group of researchers writing in a recent issue of the Journal of Cereal Science rejected the idea that wheat causes obesity or sickness as rubbish. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm getting tired of this rhetoric. First, they went after vitamin advocates and urged people to stop wasting money on supplements. And now they want everyone to think doctors who speak out against wheat, myself included, are crazy. I'm sorry, but wheat causes very real health problems for an increasingly high number of Americans. Yet these so-called experts have the audacity to insist this basic fact, which we, as doctors with extensive clinical experience, know to be true, is based on impure science. These scientists argue that targeting one type of food as a cause of obesity, as opposed to chalking weight gain up to overconsumption and underactivity in general, is a mistake, despite the fact that wheat sales have grown in direct proportion to this country's collectively expanding waistline. One look at the food court of a typical American mall will supply all the evidence you need. Yet these experts continue to deny the mere suggestion that wheat plays any role in our nation's ballooning health crisis, or that wheat could have any adverse effect whatsoever outside of a full-fledged allergy. Yet the same team was quick to assign blame to fat, high fructose corn syrup, and added sugar as bona fide causes of obesity. Did they forget wheat becomes sugar in the body, and that fat is actually good for you? But this simple fact doesn't even cover half the danger wheat poses to human health. Wheat is also a poison because of modern genetic modification, and these researchers practically admit it themselves. As far as they're concerned, the less anyone knows about the harmful effects of genetic modification, the better. This research is nothing more than a dying industry in the throes of damage control. They're trying to stop the rapid profit declines they continue to face as the public finds out the truth in spite of their efforts. And the truth is, just like sugar, wheat kills. Until next time, I'm Dr. Fred Pescatore.